Alright, you guys, a little different kind of video today. We are not in the Mustang. Like, what the heck? We're back in the but as you guys are seeing this, hopefully the Mustang is fixed. Ran into another issue, unfortunately, but it should be addressed and ready to rock and roll by the time you guys even see this video. So today, you know, a big matchup, Vipers, GTRs, apparently, supposedly. So, but we are going to be riding in the other Vortech Mustang. So basically the same setup as me. You guys have already seen that one run many times on my channel. I haven't edited any of the videos that I've been doing ride-alongs with him, but yeah, I feel bad that I, you know, do a lot of ride-alongs with this Mustang because it's literally my Mustang but blue, and I just never got around editing. It's super busy, but yeah, so hopefully you guys see this video. I'm pretty excited, pretty stoked. Unfortunately, we are gonna be kind of outgunned tonight. You know, like I said, Vipers and GTRs well over 1,000, but that doesn't mean that it won't be a decent run, you know what I mean? So we'll see what we can do. We'll see you guys can get there. Alright, we're getting 315s. What the heck? That's crazy. Simple tire change, huh?
Into the trick.
If it works, it works, I guess. Alright. We gotta get 315-50s, you guys. 01 right ahead of us. This is gonna be a rowdy night, boys. So we'll see what's good here. We are among time, and yeah, it's a lot of cool people here. Interesting. We had a crazy, amazing showdown today, you guys. Got a lot of cars out here today. We got ratified. We are gonna start at the very beginning over here, but we got a lot of people out. It's kind of like a GTR Viper day. But obviously we got a lot of V's out here, Corvettes, Mustangs, all the top-notch cars. So let's just start over here. Oh, this would be a GTR, you know, nothing too crazy to look at. I did strap my GoPro to the back. So yeah, we got a GoPro on the back. Hopefully it stays on. This setup has been tried many times on many horsepower, high horsepower cars. But I don't know. Cobra. I think it's twin turbo over here. Is it that? Yeah, twin turbo. I want to see this thing run. Oh, he's on a tire. Oh, a rat. Well, everyone should be on a tire out here today.
No.
Yeah, I forgot to show you guys. This one's bad Cobra. So,
yeah. Give me a sticker right now.
Okay, down the line here. All right, CTSV. Another CTSV. One Viper. We got another Viper. So we got a ZR1, we got a C5. Look at this kit. Oh my gosh. We gotta get around with this today. On a 40. We got a stage 2 GTR. Got a Hellcat. I think this one's stock. Out here we got an AMG GTR. This is so sick. A green though. Another GTR. Another GTR. I think we ran this vet in my Mustang, but I could be wrong. But we got a CTSV here. A lot of V's out today. So this would be my ride for the tonight. Basically the same setup as me. And we got awesome ratified over here. Stage 2 special, you know. C7Z. Oh man, black. Oof. This is what I want. It's what I want right here. Things showing up here. We got first Gt500 rolling up in here. Oh man.
Here it goes.
Where's the Hellcat at? Guys, time to get rocking and rolling. We'll see what happens here. hope you guys enjoyed that video. Wrong Mustang, but we do have the Mustang back in action, you guys. It is almost Power Cruise weekend, so I'm just stoked to finally get this thing up and running again. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. GTR made, I don't know, 2,000 wheel horsepower. Viper's made about 2,000, 2,500. Bad Cobra, I think it was like 1,400. I really don't know any of those numbers because at that level, no one even tells you their numbers. It's just, you gotta run it at your max potential, basically. And if you lose, you lose. And that's just, it is what it is. The other gray GTR or silver gray GTR, I mean, there's like 4 or 5 other GTRs there that made well over 1,400 wheel. That's just rumor, word of mouth. And yeah, they really do scoot on the street. GTR is just on the street, man. I just gotta say, like, that with Motec, it's absolutely insane compared to the Vipers. And Vipers have Motec also. Like, I don't know. Maybe they gotta rerun it again. Who knows? But it was a pleasure to go watch this and record it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.